The new SEAT Ateca announces itself with a refreshed look, more in tune with the needs of the market. It mixes the new seat design language, with a robust character, but one that doesn't diminish its emotional personality, said Alejandro Mesonero-Romanos, Director of Design at SEAT. While the interior adds new color moldings, interior parts include new fabrics with stitchings to increase the perception of quality. The Ateca maintains its broad, muscular stance due to its generous dimensions. The SUV grows in length, plus 18 mm, to 4,381 mm, due to the new design of the front and rear bumpers, but remains as wide, 1,841 mm, and tall, 1,615 mm, as the current model. Traditional Ateca design cues remain, such as the precise, flowing lines and muscular arches, while a new front grille, bumper and full LED headlamp refreshes the front aesthetic. The SEAT Ateca's instantly recognizable design combines dynamism and functionality. These attributes remain but have been enhanced with carefully selected upgrades, adding further emotional appeal, as well as an increased robustness on the road. At the rear, the design has been further chiseled to emphasize the powerful shoulders which enclose the impressive 510-liter load space. A new rear bumper, the introduction of full LED rear lamps with dynamic, sweeping, indicators, FR and experience trims, and new exhaust pipe covers complement the vehicle's design.